Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, I will show you how to set and guys you can see how to on gesture navigation. Guys, you can see in your phone guys you have button. Guys, you want to remove this button, and guys you want to set guys gesture navigation. So as you can set it in this video guys, I will show you how to set. So let's see how to set it. First of all, open your phone setting guys, scroll it guys, and guys come on this system setting. Guys, click on system navigation, and guys click on gesture navigation. So after that guys, you can see button has removed in our Vivo phone. Guys, you want to back, so as you can back from here. So you can use this gesture navigation setting from here. Guys, you want to close app, so you close app it. So I hope friends you have understood how to set, and guys how can you use this. So you can use like that guys, then guys you can back. So I hope friends you have understood how to set gesture navigation in Vivo phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching our video. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. If you guys please go and like and subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.